How to share AliExpress wishlist. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to share your AliExpress wishlist, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the AliExpress website using the link in the description, or you can download them on Google Play Store and App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the AliExpress homepage, and if you want to find your wish list, just go to your account right here on the bottom right corner, and after you click that, just scroll down until you find your wish list and history. So under wish list, you can see all of the items that you added in your wish list, and you can also click view all so that you can see all of them. So right here I will say that I cannot, or you cannot share your whole wish list, but you can share one item on your wish list at a time. So if you want to for example, if I want to share this item on my wish list, I can just click it, and right here on the top you will see the share button. So just click that, and you will see an option, so you can copy the link of this item, or you can rightly directly go to different apps just like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you want that, just click them and you will be redirected to that app, and you can share it in your friends, or you can copy the link. As I said, just click them and copy the link, and you can also click message right here. And as you can see, if you click that, you will directly go to your contact apps in your cell phone, and you can search for your friend, and right there, if you click them, a message will automatically inserted in your text box with your items link, and you can just send them if you want. And yeah, that's it. That's how you share your wish list on AliExpress, and yeah, that's how you do it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.